What's going on, guys? Today we got a little care package from some friends over at Custom Dynamics. They hooked us up with their new turn signals for the back. What's new about these is they go yellow now, which before they only did the red, like standard Harley lights. But we're going to be throwing these in today. They hooked us up with all kinds of swag, some koozies, stickers, a hat even. And we're going to be putting them on Tony's bike here. Because right now he has the stock taillights.
Only on the rear. We got the front full custom dynamics.
He has custom dynamics, so.
Yeah, we got the lowers. And then the Pro Beam fronts. Everybody loves them. Including me. Gotta get lit.
Exactly, get lit. So, they hooked us up. And we're going to be putting these on his bike for a review, showing you guys what they look like. Check them out. And Tony's going to get started here. But also, they're letting us hook up you guys. More to come on that, you'll see that, but stay tuned because you're definitely going to want to check that out. But anyway, we're going to get started getting these installed on Tony's bike here. Get that stock crap out of here.
Oh yeah, gonna get lit. And check us out, we're gonna be up in Laconia next week for Bike Week from Wednesday through Saturday. And
15th, 18th.
15th to the 18th, gonna do bike things at Laconia Rally with the new Pro Beams. Or
you
with these.
install those.
Okay.
Ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's go. Tony's going ahead and getting these unboxed. Reading the directions, of course.
Yep, and okay, I read those.
You read all of it?
Yeah.
Perfect.
So we're gonna open these things up, take a look.
Now a lot of us have Custom Dynamics taillights, but this one's a little different.
Yeah, this one comes with a integrated flash module, so you can get the strobe and a whole bunch of different settings. And that goes in under the seat. It's just one seat screw. And the rest of the job, all you need is a flathead screwdriver to pop the lenses off. And these just go in like regular bulbs. You put the connector in, you turn it just like a regular light bulb. Put the light in and snap the cover on. These come with really nice smoke lenses. Oh, I can't wait. They're gonna look sick. So why don't we pop this light off right here. There's a little notch down the bottom and you just turn the screwdriver and they come out. Push the bulb in, pop the bulb out. Alright, so now you get the right orientation. If it doesn't go in right, just take it out and spin it the other way. It kind of goes in this way, but if you get it this way and just get it just right, they lock in. Quarter turn. Coil the wires up behind it. And they come with nice smoke lenses. You make sure you put the little notch down so water can drain right there. And you just pop them in. A little bit of pressure. And there we go. It's a nice clean look.
Now you just gotta do the other side.
Over the red. I like the smoked.
Yeah, smoke makes them look aftermarket.
Yeah.
Gets rid of that OEM look.
Now matches the front. All right, we'll get this other one in. We'll turn them on and see what they look like. After we take the seat off and put the flasher module in.
Put the flasher module in first.
All right, now we got those beautiful Custom Dynamics lenses and lights installed. They look good. All the chrome will get you home. Next step, we're gonna take the seat off and install the strobe module.
That comes with it.
That comes with the kit. Real easy to use, plug and play. Just take the seat bolt off. Put that over there. Lift off the seat. Then you gotta locate your rear tail light plug from the rear fender, which I believe is this guy right here. Plug in the connector, they're polarized, and you just plug it in line. Nice plug and play. Then on the directions, there's 9 different settings of different strobes: LED only, flash, quad strobe, non-stop strobe. We're gonna play with those and find out which one we like. But once you get that set, you're good to go. You got your lights installed. You plug this in. You want to find a secure spot under your seat to mount it so it's out of the way and doesn't interfere with the bottom of the seat or anything else. And you turn them on. How they look. We'll get down low. You can see like there's like a halo. Then how's the blinker?
Yellow.
Yellow? Both of them?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, then we got hyper strobe.
That'll make you see.
We can change the settings just by turning this wheel, right?
Show what he's doing.
That one's just solid strobe. Is that slow strobe?
Yep.
I want it on like the burst.
You know what number that is?
I'm gonna get the wrong glasses on to see that. I believe that is 9. No pattern?
Slow strobe.
Well, anyways, we're gonna play with these for a little bit, see all the different patterns. So we ended up picking number 4, quad strobe, then solid for 1 second, then quad strobe. Check it out. I like the idea of the strobe because it immediately catches the eye of the person behind you, so you're less likely to get rear-ended. It really catches other people's attention, even though some people complain about it, but it's all about safety. You're on a motorcycle. I think I'm happy. I think they look really good. These are the Custom Dynamics Smart Rear LEDs with brake strobe. I'm super happy with them.
Part number will be like right there.
Part number be somewhere over here?
No, it's it right there.
Link in the description.
Right there or over there?
Just right here.
There'll also be a link in the description to Custom Dynamics websites if you want to go pick up yourself a pair of these smart strobe taillights. Get your ride lit.